What's up, y'all? Today, I'm going to show you how to get super fast inferences with Groq, all from the comfort from you command line. Let's get to it. For those of you that don't know, Groq has built these super fast LPUs that are good for one thing, and that is AI machine learning. And to harness that power, we need two things. One is an API key from the Groq website. Link will be in the description below. Two is a command line tool called LLM. To get started, go to your terminal and type brew install LLM. Then go to this website, sign up for an account. It's free for now. Then go to API keys, click create API key, put in a name, hit next, and copy the key that they give you. Just keep in mind to keep your queries to no more than 20 a minute and 25 every 10 minutes. Let's head back to the terminal and run this command, llm keys set Groq key. And then it will ask you for the key you just got from Groq API. Hit enter after you've pasted it. Then do cd config io.datasette.llm, and if you do ls, you can see there is the key you set in keys.json. Now that you are in that directory, create a file by touch extra-openai-models.yaml. Open it up with your favorite editor, then paste this. Code will be in the description. You have your choice of models that you like to set, either Llama 270B or Mixtral. I like Mixtral because it has a larger context window. The model ID can be anything you want to call the model when we call LLM on it. Set the API base and match the API key name to whatever you called the key you set earlier. I called it Groq key. Now you can go back to your terminal and type LLM models to see a list of all the models you can run. You should see gmix in there somewhere. Now, last thing to do is to send a request to Groq. To do this, we can do llm gmix. What is the command to see a list of all the Docker containers? Gmix is what I called the model, and the string will be used as the user prompt. First time I ran this command, it took a while, but I think that was due to Groq verifying my key. After about 15 seconds, I got a completion back. Then after that, every time I run a completion now, it is super fast, doing about 480 tokens a second. That's going to wrap things up. If you found any of this useful, drop a like and subscribe. If you want me to do a video on setting system templates with LLM for Groq or Llama models, let me know in the comments. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.